Just arriving at Scone Palace, got my hat, got my little side bag with my secateurs and my notepad and pen, my gloves, my sunscreen and my steel toe cap boots. Okay, this is us just leaving the Pinetum, having looked at the layering of the big massive tree, and we're going now into the walled garden. It's a beautiful sunny day again, and this will open up and we'll be able to see the Lady Mansfield garden and the orchard. And we're on our way to sow some grass seed. Just checking on the rambling rose we planted last week, Francis E. Lester. This is to grow up and over the arch, and it's looking good. Just checking on the dahlias here. We've been potting these up, and this is them first thing in the morning. We fed them last week, but they're looking good. So this is our next area for rotivating. We're going to sow grass seed here, and we're taking up the big stones and anything else obvious, putting them in the wheelbarrow, getting it ready for rotivating later on. And the sun's still shining. We have just sown and raked in and watered the grass in our new path, and hopefully this will grow and be spectacular like the green grass path that we laid a few weeks ago. Fantastic. Just taking a wee video of the apple orchard. We've summer pruned in here, and we winter pruned in September when we first started, and they're pruned into pyramids to let the light in, and some of them are looking really good. This is where we've been cutting the grass too. So this is the wee apple orchard. This is where we've learned to trim, cut the grass, trim the edges and prune the trees. We really enjoyed it. Okay, that's us just getting ready to go home. Boots are filthy. It's been an absolutely brilliant day. Just needed 2 things of water today, plenty suntan lotion, boots off, and everybody's getting ready to go. We have sown grass, we've rotivated, we have planted, we have had a good look around, we've had a great day.